Today at CRKT, we're going over the specs of one of the coolest tactical axes we've ever seen. You could say compact Tomahawk. Ryan Johnson of RMJ Tactical designed this piece, and he told us this one was inspired by ancient Viking weaponry, and there is no doubt. This is the Rune. The overall length from the base of the handle to the top of the head is exactly 12 inches, and to the end of the utility spike to the axe edge measures in at 6.7 inches. The overall weight is 1 pound 8 ounces, and this thing is built to last. That's 816 grams, and it's designed to be used in tactical situations. No SWAT team or Special Forces group kits are complete without this welcome addition. The tool is forged from SK5 carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish for extreme corrosion resistance. This notch on the blade is specially designed for choking up on for exceptional control, and you can see both ends of this tool are sharp and versatile. The handles provide excellent grip in all conditions with or without gloves, and the handles and sheath are both made of tough glass-reinforced nylon, extremely durable. The sheath has a lot of carry options. You can strap it anywhere and clip the buckle. It's secure and mission ready. Join our social media community. Use the hashtag #ConfidenceInHand. And as always, thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing to carry CRKT Knives and Tools.
I'm Kyle Lamb from Viking Tactics, and I'd like to show you a little memento that I brought back from overseas. This is a little axe that I carried on a lot of the missions I did in Iraq. And what I had done here is I'd found this on one of the objectives. I knocked the wooden handles off, I polished a few of them up, I gave them to some of my guys on my team, and this one I kept for myself, and I carried it wherever I went over there. The reason I carried it, I thought it'd be a really handy tool. It had a pry bar, a hammer, a blade, a place that you could pull nails here, whatever you might need. And if I lost it, it wasn't going to bother me much. So I showed this little axe to 511, and when they saw it, they decided it'd be really cool to do an operator axe. So that's what we've done here. So we got a super sharp blade here with a long beard. You can look at some of the old Tomahawks. They also have a very long beard like that on their axes. We also have the hammer point. We have a pry bar built in at this end. We also have different size tools built in. We got a 1/2 inch, 3/8, an inch and a millimeter wrench built into this as well. There's also a 1/4 inch socket here. And then at the end, we have the ability to actually rip sheet metal if you need to do that. If you're trying to cut into a vehicle, not that this would be the only tool you use, but this is another tool that can be used for that. Once again, this is the 511 Viking Tactics Operator Axe, and I really think you're going to like it.
This is the Schrade SCAXE2L Survival Axe. At just under 16 inches in length and weighing less than 2 pounds, the SCAXE2L is the axe of choice for those looking for a lightweight, versatile survival axe tough enough to handle the rigors of the great outdoors under any and all conditions. The 4.2-inch 3CR13 stainless steel head with hammer pommel rests at the business end of the axe. Its hardened blade ready to attack whatever cutting challenges present themselves. Coated in titanium, the axe's head resists corrosion and has edge-holding stamina. The pommel is designed to provide exceptional crushing power. The head is fused onto a black glass fiber-filled PA handle, culminating in an ergonomic black TPR rubber grip, affording a choice of various hand positions to accommodate whatever chopping task is at hand. The higher the grip, the greater the control. Lower your grip for power strokes. An extra-large ferro rod with a generous length of lanyard cordage rests snug in the SCAXE2L's handle. Carry the axe by means of its belt sheath. The broad Velcro top flap provides fast access, while the sheath protects the blade when not in use. A two-sided sharpening stone is included with the axe. One side features coarse grit, the other side fine. Powerful yet lightweight axe serving the needs of serious outdoor adventurers, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCAXE4 Tomahawk. A versatile instrument useful in a range of applications including rescue, survival, tactical, and everyday outdoor adventures, the SCX4 Tomahawk delivers chopping, cutting, and penetration power in a lightweight package. The SCX4's axe head is cast from rugged 3CR13 stainless steel and is powder coated for increased durability. Chop, cut, and slice with a sharp 3.3-inch edge. Use a high grip on the handle's shaft for controlled cutting. Slide your hand lower down the shaft for increased power. For maximum penetration, bring the hardened pointed spike into play. Low-density polyethylene is molded around the axe head's tang, creating a nearly indestructible handle. Over 3 feet, a 550 spec paracord is wrapped around the lower end of the handle, establishing a positive gripping surface well suited for aggressively delivering rigorous chopping and penetration blows. For even greater safety, tether the SCX4 to your wrist with the paracord. Protect the Tomahawk's blade by storing it in the black nylon belt sheath. The sheath's twin top snaps keep the hawk secure while providing quick and easy access. A 3-inch belt loop lets the SCX4 hang comfortably at your side or lash to gear, ready for the moment you need it. A lightweight Tomahawk weighing in at a mere 1 3/4 pounds, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCX4 Tomahawk.
The EX-T01 is a tough, agile Tomahawk finely crafted in the USA to exacting standards by Hogue Incorporated and designed by former Marine Recon and custom knife maker Alan Oleshowitz. The hand-honed bellied edge is excellent for chopping and slashing, while the pointed heel and toe are capable of penetrating cuts. The back of the head can be used as an impact tool, and 2 holes accept optional pry bar, hammer, and spike accessories. Eliminating top heaviness, the skeletonized head makes it lightweight and very fast in hand. The blade is made from S7 tool steel, chosen for its shock-resistant properties. Durability is further improved with a cryogenic heat treatment and a kiln-baked Cerakote firearms finish. The handle has a partial tang set in a tough G10 using Hogue's custom heat-treated hardware. The thick slabs of G10 offer resistance to chemical and moisture damage, as well as impact resistance. When the hawk is placed in the G10 sheath, powerful magnets hold it while the catch is manually engaged. Although very secure, the Tomahawk can be quickly and easily drawn. The mechanism is fastened to a contoured polymer waist paddle that clips onto your belt. Optionally, the paddle can be swapped out using the TechLock compatible mounting bolts on the back of the G10 sheath component. At 14.125 inches in overall length and only weighing 0.95 pounds, the EX-T01 is one of the toughest pound-for-pound Tomahawks available, making it well-suited for tactical and sporting roles alike.
The Gerber Downrange Tomahawk comes with a low-profile MOLLE sheath that can fit on just about anything. Easy release snaps let you get at the Tomahawk in no time. The Downrange Tomahawk has 3 primary breaching functions. The first is a pry bar. This pry bar has a cant in the head to allow maximum leverage. Up top on the axe head, you have an integrated prying handle. This gives you real estate so you have positive control when you're executing the pry. On the reverse side, you have a hammerhead. This has maximum surface area and is welded in place. On the opposing side, you remove a button here and can quickly and easily eject that Kydex sheath from the Tomahawk. This exposes a large blade with a point on the bottom. This is great for hacking through ropes, twine, anything else in a hurry. It also has 2 G10 handles along both sides. This gives the user maximum control and confidence during swings or during pries. The Downrange Tomahawk is 420 high carbon steel. It's been heat treated so it won't bend under stress. Proudly made in Portland, Oregon, this is the Downrange Tomahawk.
This is the Schrade SCAXE9 locking saw axe. Versatility is at the heart of this 18-inch axe, with a Ti-nitride-coated axe head with a 3.27-inch blade, hammer pommel, and 12-inch wood saw. The SCAXE9 eagerly takes on a host of outdoor chores. The titanium-coated stainless steel head is shaped from 3CR13 steel, tough enough to absorb high-impact blows. The blade is easily resharpened. Use the pommel on the back side of the head to drive stakes or as a crushing tool. The black, glass fiber-filled full-length PA handle is molded to the axe head for durability and increased safety. Use a low grip on the handle for power strokes. For increased control, slide your hand up the handle shaft to just below the axe head, where a gentle contour offers a comfortable grip. Pop the saw blade safety snap and press the button at the base of the handle to release the integrated wood saw. A nail nick in the saw blade lets you easily rotate the blade into either of two locking positions. The 12-inch blade's sharp teeth chew through wood, making short work of cutting tasks, where a good saw comes in handy. To return the blade back into the handle of the SCAXE9, simply hold down the release button as you rotate the saw so that it rests protected in the handle. Snap the retaining strap for added safety. A black nylon belt sheath lets you carry the axe comfortably at your side while protecting the blade from dirt and grime. A versatile axe for camp, farm, or home, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCAXE9 locking saw axe.
Through the wastelands, through the